Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make the air rifle, or the pneumatic rifle, whichever you prefer. Now, first off, when making this project, be extra careful with each step you do, because this project will be under a lot of pressure and you don't need this to backfire. Always wear safety glasses and never point this at anyone. That being said, let's go over the materials. You will need a 1/2 inch PVC pipe, a 1/2 inch ball valve, a 1/2 to 3/4 inch adapter, 1 3/4 inch connector, 2 3/4 inch tees, 3/4 inch PVC piping, 3 3/4 inch end caps, 1 tubeless tire valve. And now down by the stock, you will need 3 3/4 inch L's. Now, with all these pieces, make sure they are slip and not threaded. That is very important. Now, to begin building this, always use purple PVC primer first before using the PVC cement so it has the best airtight seal possible. Now what you're going to want to start with is connecting the 1/2 inch pipe to the 1/2 inch ball valve. Then from there you're going to want to go to the 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch adapter. Now although you can barely see a little bit of it, when you buy the part you'll easily see where they go. That connects into the ball valve and the 3/4 inch connector. Off the 3/4 inch connector, you're going to want to put a small piece of 3/4 inch piping. Now, for these two T's, as you can see, there is no piping that you can see. However, there's about 1 7/8 inches of 3/4 inch PVC piping in between here. Always measure that out to make sure. Now, for the handle, you can make this however big you want. You can make it 6 inches, 4 inches, however. I believe I made this 4.5 inches. And I ended that with an end cap and with the tubeless tire valve. For this one, I drilled a 1/2 inch hole and I put soap around the rim of the whole tire valve and pulled it through with pliers. You want to make sure it's very tight so it's a good airtight seal. Now off of these two T's, as you can see, is the 3/4 inch piping. You can make that however long you want. It's all preference with the stock. And at the end of the stock, I'll just show you what my design is. This fits me perfectly. I connected this L to a small piece of 3/4 inch piping and ended that with an end cap. And from here, a L to an L, and as you can see, it's the same deal with the T's, where there's no gap. And then the 3/4 inch piping out, I believe 3.5 inches I made it, and then ended that with a 3/4 inch end cap. Now you don't have to do it this way. This just fits to my body. So you might connect them, you might make this straight, you might make this small or larger. However, I'm just giving you guys the basic design and then you personalize it to your own preference. I'm also going to be showing a video, a part 2 of this video, of it all customized, painted, making it look really, really nice and professional. I just want to show you this so you can see the basic skeleton of this. I'm also going to be making a video of a simpler version of this for someone who is a little less knowledgeable when it comes to making projects. So I will post a video of that so you can watch that first and then move on to this if you would prefer. I'm also going to be showing a few tests, of course. But before I start the test, I want to thank my 2 subscribers for subscribing to my channel. You guys are awesome. And thank you for being the first to join the group. And for the rest of you who are watching my videos and who have watched my videos, please subscribe, leave a like, and comment. That would be awesome. And let's go on to the tests. Alright guys, for these tests I'm going to be using 4 different kinds of ammo. first I will be using a 1/2 inch glass marble. For the second test, I will use a stun dart. For the third test, I will use a broadhead dart. And for the last test, I am going to use a homemade dart that I made. Alright. Okay. Test 1, 1/2 inch glass marble at approximately 25 feet, 100 psi. Firing in 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's see the damage. Okay, it looks like we went through 1, 2, 3 layers of cardboard, so about halfway, or at least dented. Okay, on to test 2. Okay, test 2. Stun dart, same distance, same PSI. Firing in 3, 2, 1. Nice. Let's check out the damage. Oh yeah. It's about 4, maybe 5 layers, indented the 6th. It's pretty awesome. On to test 3. Okay, test 3. Broadhead dart. Same pressure, same distance. Firing in 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, that went all the way through. Ugh. Wow, went through that like butter. Okay, on to test 4. Okay, test 4. Homemade dart, same pressure, same distance. Firing in 3, 2, 1. Once again, I have a feeling it went all the way through. Let me zoom out a little bit. Oh yeah, no problem. So, this just emphasizes the caution that you need to take when making this. So, once again, thank you all for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.